So this dude just passed out on the train, and this motherfucking white boy.
Somebody please hold the door. Yeah, I'm calling for my friend.
Doing the motherfucking most. This motherfucker just yanked him off the fucking train, so he won't have to stop and miss his fucking ride.
This train's final destination is downtown.
I'm saying the man just had a motherfucking seizure. He just gonna throw him off the train so he can get to where he needs to go. This dude just passed out.
Report any issues by using the train intercom. The station intercom.
So hopefully we'll see the authorities come if they deal with this motherfucker the way they deal with everybody else. Dude just had a seizure, but this white boy is gonna drag him off the damn train so he don't miss his ride. The motherfucking week on this blue line.
There's low people on this train. You want to get home?
Fuck what he talking about. Yeah, what'd you just say? You want to get home?
See, there are a lot of people on this
Because there wasn't nobody else tripping on having to wait for the paramedics to come. That's that white shit. That's that white shit. You gonna drag him off for your fucking convenience.
Nobody wants
That's that bullshit white people do, because y'all feel y'all can get away with it. But y'all know when the motherfucking law comes, the motherfucking law don't do shit to y'all for that bullshit.
If that had happened to me, I'd want someone to take
I didn't even see what happened. He drug him over
This brother dude had a seizure all the way over here in this seat. And this motherfucker gonna drag him off the train, hoping the train gonna keep going.
Oh, no, it don't work like that, nigga. Not on it, not on here. Not on here. What kind of shit is that?
He ain't giving no fucks about the man being sick. This motherfucker just want to get on about where the fuck he going. You know what I'm saying? That's
Man, he got a wristband on too. He don't give a fuck, huh?
right. You know what I'm saying? And let one of us do that. Y'all know what's gonna happen tonight.
We going to jail
We in
tonight.
cuffs.
We going to jail tonight.
Hey, he had a seizure all the way over here in this seat, and this motherfucker dragged him off the
Drug him
train.
off the train just so he can take off.
Yeah, you asked for help, but ain't nobody else
You
that
didn't ask for no
fucking.
help, nigga. You're lying. You didn't ask for no help. I'm standing right there. You said motherfucker thing about it. You said get him off the train so we keep going because of emergency, motherfucker. That's what you said. Don't fucking ass. I know what the fuck you said.
That white shit, y'all. That white shit, we on the blue line.
Because your ass did it.
Well, you guys certainly got a lot of video.
Motherfucker, you did. Camera ain't gonna lie, 'cause you done said a motherfucking thing about what
So
you
dude right here got stitches on his head and all that shit. And this motherfucker, yeah, he's still breathing. He's still breathing. Nah, don't even touch him, bro. Don't even touch him. Don't even touch him.
Dumb motherfuckers don't know
The way he was sitting, you know, he had his head back.
blowing, the top showing. We overdue for a flood, so I'm flowing. Surfs up, we sink ships. Mutiny on the
Yeah, so I didn't actually see the dude have a seizure or nothing. I just saw as the white boy was dragging him from the seat, and the brother y'all just heard cussing him out, started checking his ass, but basically trying to pull him off the train so he can go on about his little merry ass night. You know what I'm saying? Not having no concern, consideration for whatever's going on with this dude. And we gonna see how, you know what I'm saying, the authorities deal with this shit once they come. Now he gonna run his ass off. But let's see if he try to make a fucking escape. Excuse me.
He must be on like some serious medication.
How's your pulse, bro?
No, don't try to act like you give a fuck now, cause you the one that dragged him out here.
You know, I took him off the train.
So
The
you
train's
going
going
about your
nowhere,
fucking business.
so
Cause you
I
ain't
might
giving a
as well
fuck.
be
You
out
ain't
here
giving a fuck.
and being
You took him off the
responsible.
train cause you didn't give a
Okay.
fuck. You just want to go
I
on
thought
about
the
your
man was
motherfucking night.
drunk.
It don't matter what the fuck you
it
thought.
doesn't.
He had a
Okay.
fucking seizure.
Okay.
No, I'm saying
I don't
you
know.
have
Are you a
no
doctor?
fucking right to put hands on
No,
him.
he had a seizure.
You had no fucking right to put your hands on him.
Bro, are you responsive?
Be holding at Willow Station. We will be holding at
You need
Willow
paramedics.
Station.
Can somebody call in
We
paramedics?
are waiting for personnel to arrive. Holding at Willow Station.
That's why we need more of y'all to stand up, man.
That's about the
White motherfuckers, whatever the fuck they feel like doing, and again, let us do any motherfucking thing. We in cuffs, y'all. We doing jail time. You know what I'm saying? You heard what he just said. He thought because the dude was drinking, he just gonna toss him and keep it pushing. So supposedly someone has called 911 and whoever is en route. But I'm about to shut it down. This is what it is. We're on the blue line right now, so I'll go live if this shit gets ugly. Paramedics like they coming right now. Like Paul.